Good morning children, Sairam. Welcome back in our today's session. I hope all my dear children are enjoying our period. So in today's composition class we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Yes, look at the picture and tell me what you all can see here. What is it children? What is it picture of? Yes, where do you go to play? Do you all love to play? Yes, we as a children, we all love to play so much. I know. So children, where do you go to play? Yes, you all go to play in the garden. Very good. And so here we can see a picture of a garden. Okay children, see here we can see flowers, trees, children are playing. Yes, we can see a beautiful garden here. So our today's topic is my garden. So today we are going to learn how to write composition on the topic my garden. Now children, look at this picture and observe it and tell me, isn't it look very beautiful? See, what are the things we can see? We can see, yes, we can see different slides. Children are enjoying, yes. Some children are riding on the bicycle. Yes, some children are skipping. So many things we can see here in this picture. This is a picture of a garden. Very good. When you are writing a composition on the topic garden, you can write your first sentence as garden is very beautiful. Okay children. Now let's see the next picture. See here in the garden, what are the things we can see in the garden? Why do you go to garden? Only to play? We can see some people go for walking also in the garden because we get fresh air. We get fresh air in the garden and we feel, yes, we feel happy. Here we can see beautiful flowers and trees. Yes, we can see flowers also and so many trees also in the garden. It increases, yes, the beauty of the garden. So many people go to garden to enjoy and to go for walking. Even some people like to do exercises in the garden. So garden is a very nice place for all the age limits, all the age groups. Like small kids also, they love to play in the garden. Yes, youngsters also go for exercise and walking in the garden. Even old people, they go and sit and relax. They relax their mind and body in the garden. Here we can see beautiful flowers. See? Yes, these beautiful flowers we can see here. Can you all name the flowers? Name the flowers. Yes, roses, rose, hibiscus, lily. Yes. So there are many flowers, and this beauty of these flowers increases the beauty of the garden. We can see beautiful flowers in the garden and also trees also. See here, when you go to the garden, what do you do children? Yes, when I was very small, I used to go to the garden to play. Yes, we all love to slide. So here we can see the slides we can see, and yes, children are playing. When we play, we are very happy. We enjoy so much. We get fun, happiness when we are playing. And when we are playing in the garden, we enjoy a lot. See, we also can see a beautiful rainbow in this picture. Garden looks very beautiful, children. So garden is a very beautiful place where we can go for walking, for playing, for our enjoyment. See here what you can see in the picture. Yes, here we can see different slides. Yes, in this garden we can see different slides where children are playing. They are enjoying. Children, to keep your mind fresh and to keep your body healthy, what you should do? You should only eat and sit in the home? No, you should not only sit in the house. You should go to the garden. There we can, yes, when we are playing, automatically yes, we can keep our body healthy, because yes, when we play, we can do exercise, and when we play, yes, we can keep our body fit and fine. Even when we are playing, we get happiness, fun, enjoyment. So do you all, if you are not going, children, you all go to the garden and enjoy. At least once in a week you should go to the garden. Yes, see here we can see two girls are, yes, they are playing with the rings, and these boys are playing with the football. Yes, we can, when you go to the garden, you can carry your things also in the garden and you can enjoy. See how children are playing there, they are enjoying. Now here see, children. Yes, but whenever you go to the garden, you should be careful. When you are playing, yes, look here and there and take care of yourself, and then you play nicely. And see, children, when we go to the park, means to the garden, we see many signboards. Have you seen? Yes, do not litter here, throw the dust in the dustbin, use me, this, do not, yes, keep the place clean, do not park the vehicles here. Like that, so many signboards we can see in the garden. Do not pluck the flowers, because to maintain the cleanliness of the garden, to maintain the beauty of the garden, we should follow all the signboards. Whatever is written, whatever instructions are written, or whatever is written on the signboard, we should follow all those things to keep our garden clean and neat and beautiful. See, few people, yes, they like to maintain a garden in front of their house. So yes, here we can see different flowers in the garden. So in the garden, what you should do to grow your plants well and to care your plants, what you are supposed to do? Yes, you have to water the plants daily. As we need water to live our life, plants also similarly, they need water to grow, because they are also living like us. See here, so you should, when you water the plant, they give us, yes, they give us beautiful flowers, they give us fruits, and they also give us oxygen. Trees help to keep the air clean. It purifies the air. Yes, air purifies the atmosphere. It keeps the air clean. So children, it is our duty to keep our garden clean, and we should water the plants too. See, then if you take care of all such things, your garden looks so pretty. See, children, nature is our best friend, because trees are very useful to us. They give us fruits, vegetables, flowers, even oxygen. Because of many trees, we get rain also. So it is our duty that we should take care of all these things. We should keep their beauty. We should maintain their beauty and cleanliness. Okay, children? We should not cut the trees also. Now, children, here I have written few points for your understanding. If you are writing, when we are writing composition, we can write first line. You are not going to write now. Okay, only for your understanding. Just understand. Garden is a nice place. Isn't it, children? Garden is a beautiful place. I have a small garden in front of my house. It is filled with beautiful flowers. It is an example. This way we can write a composition on the topic garden. There are rose, lily, sunflower and a lot more. I feel happy for my garden. My grandma take care of it. I help my grandma to water the plants. There is a fence around it. Yes, we can see a fence around the garden. I love to play in the garden. It adds beauty to my home. Yes, children, even you can have a beautiful garden around your house. It can definitely increases the beauty of your home too. So children, in the next period of composition, we are going to write composition on the topic garden, my garden. I hope children you all must have understood all the topic, whatever we have discussed. So be ready in the next period of composition. Okay children, thank you so much and bye bye.